Hey everyone, it's Mike from Rogala Photography here. We just got a real quick video here. I'm going to go through this hopefully pretty quick. Um, what we're going to do here is we are going to use Adobe Color, which is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud. You know, I'll have to put in the description whether or not you can get this without a subscription to Adobe Creative Cloud. But I know if you sign in with your Creative Cloud credentials, you can actually save different color themes and stuff. Okay. But the real cool thing is that what you can also do with Adobe Color is extract a style from a photo, or in this case, from a screenshot of a movie. This was Alfred Hitchcock's Vertigo. And we are going to convert a color photo to black and white in the style of the movie Vertigo. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to be in Adobe Color. Make sure you're on the Create tab and then Extract Theme. And then just drag the photo. You'll see a little box. It'll say to drag the photo. So I had it on my desktop, dragged it over, and it gave me all these colors right here. Okay. Now I'm going to expand this eventually so you'll see the full Photoshop. But right now I need to leave this part open because what we are going to do is we are going to have to copy all these hex codes into a gradient map in order to recreate this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to come on over here to my adjustment layers. Right here. There we go. And I'm going to scroll down till we get to gradient map. Click on gradient map. Okay. Now I'm going to click on the gradient itself right here. And we can leave all this alone right here, but you want a black and white gradient. So you want to go from white to black. Now we're going to be changing this because we're going to be going from dark to light, or actually we'll go from light to dark on this one. So these are slightly different. So this will not be pure black or pure white. So all you got to do here is you got to put, you want about a total of 5 different colors, if you will. If you see here, we have 5 colors. All right. So we want 5. So all you got to do is when your cursor turns to a hand, click on it and it'll add another one. And you can see it kind of changes the photo a little bit. So we're going to add this one right about here, and you can move them around too, so they don't have to be exact. So we're going to go right there, and let's just move this over a little bit. Oh, what happened here? Did I do that? Let me do this. All right, there we go. That's what we wanted, just to move that over just a little bit. All right. Now, all you're going to do is we're going to start from, actually, you know what? Let's start from dark to light. So we're going to start at this end. So we're going to click on this square right here. Okay. And then come down here to the little color box, click that. And you can see these are all your hex codes. So you're going to copy this hex code right there. And then you're going to paste it into there. And you can see the picture's already started to change. Okay. Actually, you know what? I take that back. I messed up. We're going to copy the dark one. You caught me. So we're going to do the dark one. So same thing. Make sure we're on the darkest one here. And click that hex code. Paste. I knew something was wrong. And then click OK. Okay. Now we're going to click on the next one. And then we're going to get the next hex code. Copy that. Again, make sure we're on the right one here. Click on this one here. Paste it. And then click OK. Click the next one. And then the next one over here. Make sure I got the right one here. And then I always like to double check. So I'm just going to double click or click on that. And then hex code, paste. Boom, right there. And then we got this one. I'm just going to copy this one right now first. So it's copied. Make it easier. Okay, make sure that's clicked. And then put that one right there. Paste. Boom. And then we got one more here. So we're going to come on over here with the lightest one. It's copied. Come on over here. Make sure that's clicked. And then add the last one right there. And then all we got to do is hit OK. And then OK. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this bigger here so we can see. And you can see here, here's the Vertigo scene that I used. Okay. And then this is what we did. Okay. So it's pretty darn close to the original. Okay. So now what you can do is you can come down to the adjustments tab right over here under your libraries and in your layers panel over here, and click adjustments. And then under your presets, just click the plus sign and it'll have a name. So let's just call this Hitchcock Vertigo. Okay. And then just click save. All right. So now let's just say I want another photo. So let's just say I got this photo right here. Come down over here. Here is our preset. Just click it. Boom. It's already put the your preset. Now, if you want to, you can even make different variations of this. So I'm going to come on over here and I'm going to click adjustment layer and I'm going to click at curves. Okay. And then let's just say we want to make that a little bit darker, a little more moodier. Okay. And let me see, do I want to make that whiter? Yeah, we'll make that a little bit whiter. We're going to make the blacks a little bit darker, more pronounced. Okay. So now I can come on over, make another one, click the plus right here. And we'll call this Vertigo, or let me just call it the same thing. Hitchcock Go, and we're going to go, we'll call it Punchy. And then click save. Now you can see we got the preset right there. And there you have it. I mean, it's so simple. It's just another way of creating a black and white photo. There's so many different ways between Lightroom and Photoshop. There's so many different ways for you to create a black and white photo. But this is nice because you can recreate the scene from a movie. Now, you can also do this in color too. So let's just say you got the movie, I don't know, let's just say the movie Joker, because that's a very distinct color grade on that movie. You could, if you have a photo that you want to switch that over to, you could do the exact same thing. You can just drag the photo into Adobe Color. It'll give you the colors. Okay. So you have them, and then you can just transfer them over into a gradient map and do exactly the same thing. Okay. And then, if I want to, I can do the same thing to this one here. I'm going to take my curves adjustment. I'm going to add one here. So let's see, this one I want to, let me see. I want to punch that one up just a little bit. I want to make this a little bit more. Oh, that's too bright. So let's go that way with that. Yeah, right there. And then we want to make that very distinct. And we want to put a fade on it. So put a little bit of a fade on it. I mean, there you go. And you can do the same exact thing here. So here is the Vertigo from the photo, from the scene. And then here it is with a curves adjustment. Okay, to kind of make a little more punch to it, a little more contrast, etc. And you could do this any way you want. If you want to add, I don't know, if you want to add, let's just, for fun of it, we'll do solid color. Okay. And then what do we want here? We want, let's see here. We want color here. So let's just say we want a sepia color. Okay, something like that. We click on that. And then all we got to do over here is make sure that is clicked, and then bring the opacity down a little bit. And we'll bring it down. We got kind of a sepia if you will. Probably should be a little bit more on the reddish side though for sepia, but you get the idea. Okay. And there's so many different ways you could tweak this, so, but anyway, going back to what we did here, there's the original Vertigo. So hopefully you enjoyed this tip and you found it useful. Please make sure you click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. And until next time, take care, everyone.